Hi everyone. Somebody has requested a lesson on Rooftop by Jordan Rakei, which is not a song that I knew, but I guess I do now, so here it is. Okay, very, very quick debate on whether minor chords should be minor 9 or minor 7 or minor 11, and if it's add or sus, all that kind of stuff. Those things I think are really important for you guys when you're practicing and learning the songs in terms of like how to play them. The academic debate in this music about whether it's minor 9 or minor 11. I think in some tunes it's really important, and in others less so. And that's my opinion, right? There's no rule about that. Sometimes I think it is important, and I'd say if I did, and sometimes I don't think it's important. And for example, now I'm saying that. What I think is really important is that you get a touch and a feel for the chord, and so you can say different things with different touch using the same notes, and then you can add or take away different notes to say something else, and of course then combine all of those different things. So, okay, sorry, enough of that. On with the lesson. F minor 11, you happy with that as F minor 11? If you put F in the bass, so F, E flat, G, A flat, B flat, C, E flat, 3 bars. When it starts out, the bass is either not clear or not playing. So I'm playing in crotchets here in 4/4, and then upper tone. That's a move Jordan Rakei likes to do, or at least he does it. Whether he likes it or not, I guess he does. Sorry, that's a joke to myself about writing music that you can write versus the music that you like or want to write. Okay, so F minor, G minor 11. G, F, A, B flat, C, D, F. You can see 4 bar phrase for the verse, or the first section. 3 bars on the F minor, and then 1 bar on the G minor. And you'll decide if you want that B flat in the F minor chord or not. Interesting, you put the B flat in and then the E flat voice is higher, so, sorry, it sounds louder. But of course, if you're at a gig or you're playing this song for yourself or to a friend or to some people, I don't know, you can change it all the time. Something of that nature. Right, so that's the first section. Then we get into the second section. I've written out some rhythmic information here. Whether it's right or not is not important. This is just our way of ordering it. So in minims here in this section, there's a 2/4 or a 2-beat tag on a B flat minor, 9 or 11 chord, depending on you, not me. So the F minor chord is the same. This chord, for the purposes of this video, let's call it that F, add 9 over A, G, C, drop the bass a half step or semitone, gives you A flat major 7, A flat, G and C, G minor 11, and some people out there won't be happy with that being called G minor 11. Well, okay, that's fine. Let's just call the note names then. G, F, B flat, and and C. Incidentally, if you put that A in there, which is the ninth, now we can call it G minor 11. So, like, that stuff is interesting if it's interesting to you, and then leave it if it's not, you know. That's a chord I play a lot, because I like it, and then you can play the B flat like that. I like the voicings to be the same. I think that sounds really cool. You could do all sorts of fun stuff with that. Just freewheel around. But sorry, I digress, and that's not a YouTube thing to do. Okay. I think, did I make that clear? Probably not. Here we go. And then back in 4/4, and then crotchets, C over E, C major first inversion, E, G, and C, D7, D, F sharp, and C, and then 2 beats on D flat, 7. D flat major 7 rather, D flat F and C, B flat minor again, B flat minor 9 for 2 beats, and then I've put C or E flat as a crotchet. You play, alternatively, you can play, I mean, I think it goes through twice in this way with the D flat twice, and then he plays C as opposed to a second D flat chord, and then E flat as opposed to a second D flat chord. I'll demonstrate that now. So that's how it is originally. Do that twice, and then you could do. And I'd argue that he definitely got that from Robert Glasper, along with everything else that we all take from him. So, sorry, again, digression. F minor 11, C over E, D7, D flat, C major, yeah? Or on the D flat major 7 to E flat major. Now you might say, oh, is that E flat major 6? Yes. Yeah, it's E flat major 6, but E flat. Okay, and I hope that makes sense. I'll play that version. That's what he plays at the end. Is the whole song. Okay. Hope that is helpful. Okay. See you later.